guys, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam and my new business, Fullerton Professional Organizing, and we are in my master bath doing the reset video I promised. All right, at the beginning, right after this intro, you will see my cluttered master bath, and then you will see how I've reset it. It should be fairly similar but tidy and reorganized. Everything's labeled, nice and neat, and I hope you get some tips from this and let me know what you need help with in your master bath. Is there something that I can help figure out a solution for? All right, guys. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, there's not much space to videotape in here, but this is how my countertop in here is organized. And of course you can see it needs a reset because it is fairly cluttered. I have these bins because they're ready to organize in the cabinets below, reorganize and reset because I'm not liking how that is. Now, of course, if you have a dog, you know that sometimes you need this to keep the dog from chewing on things, and it should not be there, but my husband was using it. And over here, I have to keep a trash can up here so it's close to the sink when I use paper towels or blow my nose or use a Q-tip. So it's there handy to, but I have to keep it up here so that the dog doesn't get into it. And then we keep this stuff handy. We put on powder after our bath. We have the dog shampoo, and we have our razors and soaps in a basket, and then our towels are here in the back of the bathtub. Now, how I have these drawers, I have them organized, but they could use some tidying up. Some more extra soaps and razors there. Now here I need to get rid of those hot rollers because I no longer use them. We just went to the island, so we have some stuff here from the island. That is a dog's towel and a basket of cleaning supplies for the dog. That's why that towel is there. It's a nice clean towel, but it has my dog's name on it, so no one can mistake that towel for their own. And then my travel cases here, but this definitely is dark, needs a reset. We've got cleaning products. We have stuff hanging on the door, which I do like because it's nice and convenient, but there are things I can get rid of under the bathroom cabinet so that it can hold maybe more of the stuff that's on these doors. But if you are short of space, this is a great idea. You put some shoe organizers cut and nailed to the door so that you have more space. I have Med Theraflu there. All right, guys, this is how my bathroom looks right now. I'm embarrassed, but as you can see, it does have some organization. It just needs a reset, and you will see that next. Here on the end, we keep the dog shampoo, the dog nail clippers, and the dog towels. I have 2 pink towels with Maisie's name on it, so no one will accidentally use Maisie's towel for their face or body. So that's what I have here. And then I will organize my makeup and travel. My travel makeup and my husband's travel stuff will be next to it. Okay, here is what I put in my travel case. I have this little case which has an extra toothbrush, some lotion and perfume, a little makeup brush, nail file. This is the only makeup that I pretty much carry. It all fits in here. A lip gloss from Mary Kay, a mascara, a makeup brush. That's it. That goes in here. And then I was given I have an electric toothbrush that I just don't want to throw away, and some container for soap, container for tissue, and a container for jewelry. It doesn't have any jewelry. Eyeglass cleaner, lotion, some makeup, and toothpaste. That is all I have in this case. All right, guys, I'm going to start under my sink. Now, I do have an old home, and I probably should put some lining on the bottom of my shelves, but I did paint it. But whatever, it is fiberboard, so any moisture or anything that comes in contact with that is it has caused damage. So just ignore that. One day I'll put down some contact paper, but here is how I have this part organized now. I have feminine products, my cleaning supplies under the sink. Here is soap and meds, and then my husband's clippers, and that basket here has the alcohol and extra mouthwash there. And then above my sink, this is the new item that I purchased for the mouthwash on top of the counter. And you've seen this setup. I know all those wires don't look organized, but it is real life. And this setup here, I bought these new bottles for my bathtub, and I'll show you that in a little bit. It's got my shampoo and conditioner in that. All right. And you've seen this before. Makeup, hair barrettes, Q-tips, cotton, and my perfumes. All of this you've seen before. It's just that with the reset, I kind of cleaned it up a bit. All right, so now let's go in the middle cabinets. Again, you're going to see the clippers there, continuing from the video before, and alcohol and stuff. But here's my mani-pedi stuff. That one's empty. Heating pad. Here on the doors, I still have the shoe organizers, but I decluttered and put the most used items on top so I can reach them easily. Travel bag, my husband's travel bag, and my dog's stuff now is nice and neat. These towels have his name on them, so we don't mix them up with any other towels. And I said he, but our dog is a she, so they're pink towels. No one else in the house has pink towels. And I have the most used item here. The spray that was on the countertop is now here, so it can be used for keeping the dog from chewing on things. Now, this bottom drawer here is where I keep all my extra overflow soaps, shampoos, razors. And again, it's an old home, so it's very hard to open and close. That one has my stuff for my allergies and empty. And then this is just miscellaneous stuff. This has fake nails and fake eyelashes that I rarely use. Christmas jewelry and just miscellaneous items are kept there. All right, so that is, and then you've seen this decor and jewelry organization. So we're gonna pan around here, and you already saw that how I have this and the towels and my basket here. There are the 2 pump bottles for my conditioner and shampoo. So that looks a lot neater than it usually does. And then my husband's shampoo and the cleaner, so that we can clean right when we're done with our shower. We clean the shower and bathtub. All right, that is it for our reset in our bathroom. I hope I gave you some great ideas, and I will see you in the next video.